Hello guys and welcome to a new video. This time I will tackle the greatest MVP case. I've never tackled it before, but let's see how it will go. I think there's a lot to take into consideration, which might make it quite hard. But let's see if it's also hard from an Excel perspective. Not important. Good. For each fur coat below, what is the total length in centimeters? Okay. Interesting. Let's look up for the fur coat in here, returning the maximum length. Yeah. BB, yes. Okay, I think that's spill, yes. And then is x match 0? No, not 0, empty. But what's then this here? Is blank false? Is empty false? Okay, what is in there? Interesting. Okay, here's blank. What is this then? 0. Okay. No, that's not working. False, true. Okay, no idea why Xmatch wasn't working. But now we can Xmatch for true in this -1. Okay, this was the easy level, right? Yeah. Well, it kind of was easy. Queen of Narnia. Oh yeah, this then might be longer. Yeah. Okay. Which color appears most often? Let's use the following. Let x and then take x match true in x equals 0. It will spill, and then t group by t count a -2 index. Oh no, it is enough. Value, great. T to take -1. Yeah, is this enough? Yeah, but for each field code, still mapped to the wrong cell. Okay, done. Expensive. That's great. We can use here the formula from above. Now I first adjust this, and then we use some x lookup for t, and I think here was a table. Yes. It's already table reference. And we're done. Okay. Which call? I don't like those cases with a lot of unnecessary stuff, but that's only my okay. Mode in love. Here we go. There's the table. Mode in love. Wow factor. General public. Okay, ignore it. Okay, ignored 0. Unlisted characteristics. Priority character. What is mood? Mood. Well, how does the mood play in? Is the mood important? I don't know. Example, according to Miles, prioritize this. I ignore professionalism. Yeah, it might be. 55. Order of the codes. Okay. I think I will data table this. So mood is not important. That's the first thing to know. And then it's 2 times the priority characteristics, 1 times all ignored, all unlisted, and 0 times ignored. Okay. X lookup for those in here, returning that on this times 2. Some oh yeah, we have to no. Okay, reduce this. 0 text split this lambda a b a stack a x lookup b. Not the largest fan of the table references, by the way. And this will then spill, and we can then drop the first column. Now, professionalism is ignored. So we then haystack a second reduce where everything is ignored. That is either ignored or priority, because this will then not be doubled. By the way, I have to double this. Okay. How do we do that? I think there's nothing to close, so we can simply search for this in concat of those two. And if error, this is then missing. Is error? Yeah. And then we filter. To match tables on this if we have there an error, and this is then included in our reduced 0 filter. This is then lambda a b. Well, great. Choose filter, concat, lambda ab, xlookup header, fur codes. Okay. Let's take this. Yeah. Because I've ignored the drop here and then close this. Here we go. And then biro sum. Yes, and then xlookup or only 10. And max lookup in here, returning the name pastel pink fluff. Yes, 3140 b1 b4. Okay, that might be that there is nothing in the second one. If error, then 0. No. If error, then sequence 20 rows 0 0. So 31 is clear. 32. Oh, none is of priority. Let's do the same. If error, then sequence 20 0 0. Okay. Again, run the data table macro. Yes, all good. Okay, level 5. Formation, Mr. Humble, Laura. Mr. Humble, Tensor Lola. Tensors on formation. Okay, that's fairly easy. Or is it? Formation, Humble MVP, and then Tensor. Yes. So equals xlookup for the formation, returning the position of the humble MVP, and then we do a two-dimensional lookup. I'm making it with index now. So first, the row number is x match of the formation in here, and then x match of the dancer in here. Okay, yes. Hello. And then I have picture. Oh. Not fix the references. And then distance lambda, distance between cell references, other values, cell reference 1, cell reference 2, 1, 1, and 1.4. 6.8, yes. 200 divided by this and rounded. Round 200 divided by distance. Yes. Oh, okay. Oh, crazy. Column A to S of dances plus formations tab. Gives the formations. So I might want to use a scan on formation, which gives me the rows. And then get the ones out, check the ones in here to give the name. Okay, that's not that hard. Let's data table it. So equals, let's scan it in here. Equals scan 0. No, this to A594 lambda A B if left from B1 equals F, then B otherwise A. And we now have the rows. We can then take so X match this from the top and from the bottom. First to last. From the first row of this area up to the 19th. And then we use index of this area here. 5.5. And then sequence from this minus this, starting from this here, and columns are sequence 10. I don't know, let's see. No, it's not enough. First we start at 2. B, C, D, E, G, F, K, K, L, M, A, O, P. So 15. Starting from 2. No issue. And we then have the addresses. So here this is sequence 12 something, now also 15, 15 times 15 makes sense. And we have to call of the dancers positions in a dynamic way and to call of the addresses in a non-dynamic way. Both are the same length. Now filter for the addresses if this is either 1 or 2. And then how should we handle it? Sorting here, correct. I hope, no, it's not correct. First it's the letter, then it's a number, although, yeah, but then sorting should be the same for the dancers. So we then sort the dancers and concat and, yeah, so concat and then by row lambda A sort A by call and concat and then equals x match, no, x lookup for this in here, returning the name and A. Great. Oh, great. Okay. Interesting. Oh, yes, I know why. This is starting at 2, not at 1. Silly, silly, silly. Now we should get something. X lookup, this in here, returning the formation name. Yeah, give me an M. Okay. Now this should work. 6180 B1 B4. Quite slow. Oh, it's more. 6190 B1 B4. Okay. Yes, all right. 24 minutes, last level, also hard. Let's see. Oh no. What is the final position? Give the graph reference in relative terms. So first I need to make this A, otherwise my data table macro will break. From L9. Oh, Mr. Humble. Okay. dance move. Okay, no. So basically it's an to X lookup, X match for this in here, and X match for the dancer in the column. Yes. Okay, and then based on this, we want to 3 steps forward and backwards, and I basically do this by using arrows. It's easier. 3 steps forward, 1 step backward. So 2. Slide back and to the left, 3 steps each. No, the other way around. 3 times. 3 steps forward, 2 steps to the right. Yeah. 2 steps. And forward is that. Okay. Run straight back to the very end of the stage. Okay, until row 2. Okay, so it's except for fallback. No. Okay. Serif based on reference and arrow array borders. Cell reference, xlook or text split, xlookup, lookup for the dance move in here, returning this, splitting it here, and row border 1 is 2. Okay. Okay. Why is this not working? Might be the lambda, but let's see. First on array. Two and 3. Array borders. Cell reference is L9. Okay, why is this not working? Cell reference error array. Huh? Name? Okay. Have I broke my lambda? That's a question I should ask. Yes. Okay, I broke my lambda. Great. Okay, this will work. Oh no, M or N? Okay, this cannot be. L. Ha. There's something weird going on. I'm in the right. Ah no. Okay. Okay, and this will work for everything except for the fallback one. And then if error, we take column letter and 2. Okay, and later I have to check my lambda. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Both for I is for MVP. 2 steps forward, 1 step back. Ah, this is the other way around. 2 steps forward, 1 step back is this way. Here we go. Go to bonus question. 1000 points so far. Oh, 6 bonus questions. Total length of all fur coats. How about something like text join PC205 and then substitute the delimiter, or not the delimiter, but this here out against nothing. Text split by row and filter blank empty out of this array and then rows. X. Yes. How many of the dance formation am I in front and center? Count if humble MVP I16 15. Okay. Okay. I need all dance formations. Okay, round independently. So level 5, ecstasy score of what? Of all? really? 10 points? What is the score? Jin? No. Okay. I need your help. Which of the the total score of the dancer for all formations. Okay. B3. Filter. This if C is dance formation, and then I need all dancers. And let's use level 5 and make it single cell by putting this in, and we then have the dancer and the formation to take into consideration, and rounding. Where is bonus? B3. So here, XLOOKUP for this, fix the column, and XLOOKUP for, I think first this, and then this for, and then by call max. No, some by call, yes, and the maximum is 257. I hope this is wrong. Interesting is why. Oh, really? This sounds like a lot. 30. Is this possible even? Ecstasy score. Oh, ecstasy effect is not the ecstasy score. Or is it? Okay, we have the formations. Each line has equal weighting. Oh. Okay, this is a line. it's around 50 or less than 50, 30, but might be. 3 lines split, 3 lines vertical, yes. Yeah. How is this so high? Is it? Yes, I forgot to divide 200 by this. That's the issue. So 200 divided by this is... I don't want to merge cells. What are you talking about? And the maximum is now the answer. Silly mistake. What is the name of the formation on the main stage tab? G. So Giles is in L9. Mr. Humble. Yes. It's the only one where Giles is in that position. Okay, bonus question. Using L5 distance rules. What is the distance traveled by the entire true pack to the what did I say? True pack to what did I say? Distance and L5 distance is distance between cell references, other values. 1.4. And round your final answer, so equals round sum. Yes. Favorite drink. Do I want to search for this? I would say gin or something like that. Beer. Wine. Tonic. For gin tonic. I don't know. I pass on this. So 45 minutes for first time solve. Guinness. UK. 45 minutes for first time solve. I think that's good. So I have to check my distance lambda. No, cell ref based on reference and arrow array borders. That's the one that is causing issues. Name. So yeah, I will do that and you can watch another video. See you. Bye.